Hey guys, we're back at the Valley of the Yetis. Oh, another boom. I have a feeling that it's animals just accidentally stepping on my mines. There were two birds here some time ago, but I think they're gone. I think they also stepped on a mine. So, anyway, I guess we don't have another choice except... yeah. Except spending another night. Let's do it. I'm a bit nervous as per usual. I just ate lunch and I ate so much. So I'm thinking I will be very slow. But I'll try to do my best. And we'll see what goes. So we have all of the improvements, all of the upgrades. That's wonderful. Kevlar's full, syringes are full. We got new weapons. Are they just giving me everything now? I wonder. Let's see. Vector, spas, A52. A52. Is it better? It has no silencer, damn it. This boy has everything. It's kinda more powerful than my pretty weapon. Yeah. I think we're gonna try it out. Looks funny. It's like a big nostrils on the back. Let's do it. Yes, my cat said hello. I don't know if it was loud enough in the mic. Bye bye, pretty weapon. We'll try something else. Suppressor, always. Scope. Oh. It's a sniper rifle. Doofus. Oopsie. Okay, that is not what I wanted then. How did I overlook it? So I should compare these two. This one is still better. Okay, I'm gonna finish adding all the upgrades. High power and enhanced. Let's buy the more expensive one and make it pretty. Primal. Yeah, it's like a hint to the next Far Cry I'm gonna play. But we need something with the white. Let's do the primal. You know, we're in the snow. Alright, but I need to change them. Change the order of my weapons. What is MG42? Two-handed LMG. LMG is light machine gun or something, right? So, isn't it better than the one I'm using? I want this boy in the valley to get it for free, but I don't want to get it for free, I want to buy it. It's better than the driller. These are snipers. Warrior would be great. It's also somewhere in the valley. Maybe after next mission? Who knows? Alright, then I guess I'm getting back my pretty weapon. I said bye-bye too soon. Is this better? No, it just shoots faster. This one might be better. A52. Oh, but it doesn't have a silencer. Yes, I forgot already. Short memory. Hello. No, it's a machine gun. I want an assault rifle. I guess we have nothing better than my pretty weapon. Wait, let's switch this up. That's why it had big nostrils. Now I get it. It all makes sense. This one, right? This is the sniper rifle. It's better than the one I have, right? We'll replace Z93. And Z93 is this one. It just shoots faster. Okay. Alright. Station upgrades done. Ammo. Everything's full. Let's sell what we got, what we don't need. Hey, we have Mad Devil skin. How come? One new weapon, it says. Is it stuck? Oh, autocross. Yes. I know. But it's not gonna be very useful right now. Why it says that I have the wolf skin? Do I need more? Maybe I already used it? Alright. Whew. Stress. Let's do it. Another night.
The Profaner must not be suffered to live through the night.
Profaner.
Kill him! We
I need
hear
to
you.
like
And
Google
obey.
these words.
Purify them.
Oh
Ritual
wow!
must commence.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
We're attacking the station from the west.
That's not the west. I learned my lesson.
Approaching the relay
West is
station
there.
now, Master. Good. Remove his cage from this place. The Lord of Death demands it. Time to die, Interloper. Meet
Interloper.
the darkness, Profaner.
Profaner, interloper. I need to Google these words.
Send in the assaulters.
The assaulters are incoming.
Watch out for those mines.
Hehe. One dude is here.
We are attacking the station from the south.
What? Excuse me? Are they retreating then?
Send in the assaulters.
From the south. It's here. It's like I still haven't finished business, but they just keep on coming.
Watch out for those mines. Breach those barricades.
Oh my god.
Send in the heavy gunners.
Oh shoot. Who is shooting here? They're making all these ruckus. Go kill them.
Send in the flame seekers.
There.
Watch out for those defenses.
Oh, damn it.
Send in the berserkers.
They're everywhere.
Plant the demolition charge. Plant the demolition charge.
Who's doing that? Who's planting what? Ah, stress. Ow!
We are attacking the station from the north.
Maybe I will stick with this. North is here, right? Okay. Mines, collecting everything. Oh yeah, I see them.
Watch out for those mines. Breach those barricades.
Is the lightning helping me?
Move the rocket launcher into range.
Oh my god, what rocket launchers? I see.
Watch out for those defenses.
No, wrong weapon. There you go. Ooh! Shit!
We breached the barricades on the north.
You breached nothing!
We are attacking the station
Actually,
with
they
the
did.
south.
I have a hole in my defenses. From the south, they said, right? From behind! Shit! Are they coming from all sides now?
Move the rocket launcher into range.
Oh no, somebody's shooting with the rocket launcher. That's the guy. Woo! Incoming! Did I kill him? Did I not? No, he's still out there. Did I kill him now? No.
We are attacking the station from the north.
You're attacking me from all sides. I'm just grabbing ammo and getting into position.
Send
Oh,
in
that's
the
the north.
assaulters.
Shit. That's the north. I have been breached. Ooh.
Watch out for those mines.
They came with a car. Excuse me? There you go. How you like that? 2 more left. Oh, I see your head. There. There. Oh my god, a Yeti is coming. They didn't came from above yet, right? I mean from here. I wonder if they will. I'm just gonna let Yeti take care of them. Ooh, that ought to hurt. He's fast. Oh, he bit his head off. Nom 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 nom. The lightning is so cool. Last time it was flames, now it's lightning. Whoa! That was a kick. Oh shit, I think he's coming for me now. Yep. Oh god, he can climb? Yes, he can. Shit, shit, shit. Fuck. Fuck. I did not expect. I'm sorry for my language. Oh god, D. I don't know what's happening, I cannot see. Alright. 4th night. Ooh, did I get to skin him? If I am fast enough, I get to skin him. That's the thing I didn't know. I just got his heart. And he's just poof. And gone in an orange cloud. Woo! Oh boy, oh boy. I'm gonna collect some of the heroin that the guys are carrying. You know, when you don't sleep at night, you need something to keep you awake. Ooh, heavy gunner. Okay. Nope. Oh. Alright. Whew. Okay, just a couple of... Maybe blue and red. Just so I have extra potions in case I need them. I hope my defenses will restore. They're pretty useful. Whoa, in my face. I'm still amazed that the Yeti came here. And took down most of the guys. That was pretty cool. Except the only thing I didn't expect that it will be able to jump up here and climb that easy. That was like, what? It's like absolute shocker to me. And I got its heart. I don't know what to do with it. And I got 3 skill points, which are not sufficient. We need one more. Alright. 4 out of 5 nights. In the loot bag, we have the Yeti heart. Oh, it's worth a lot of money. Maybe that's why it's good to collect them. But I assume it's not a must. Let me refill everything. I guess no new weapons after this. Oh well. Let's see what he has to say.
Ajay, are you there?
I hear you.
Great.
Oh, it's Dick
I
VJ.
wanted to say, well, I will never be able to completely thank you for saving me.
Aw.
They did things. They made me see things. That relic that you're talking about, it transforms human flesh.
Ew.
The elixir, the relic is the source. It has to be destroyed.
Ah,
What are
so
you talking
the
about?
relic is making them into Yetis.
There are visions in my head. All the time. Visions of the torture and of the relic.
He seemed so normal when we met him, when we
Right
rescued
into
him.
my skull. I hear them night and day.
Okay.
No.
Okay, I like that.
I want to see those bastards die for what they did to me. And I think you are the one who can make
Oh,
that
he will
happen.
make me a bomb? Will he?
I left you a package
Yeah.
of homemade explosives at these coordinates. It should be more than enough to destroy the front gate and get you inside. Just promise me you won't leave that place until you find out where they keep that relic. And everyone inside is either dead or dying.
Okay.
Leave it to me.
Lucy in the Sky Shrine. What? Okay. Whew. I guess that's our final mission. Somewhere in the horizon. Oh, it's not that far actually. So that's just collecting explosives and then going, I think, somewhere here. I don't know why I keep thinking that their fort is here. Maybe where the wolves. I'm just guessing. But this is dope. I love this game. Just amazing. Alright, we're gonna get the explosives in the next episode. See you guys!